Hey, I'm Will Coleman and welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making a tangy barbecue chicken pizza. So I am obsessed with this recipe because it's semi-homemade. I'm using rotisserie chicken that I've chopped up, and I'm also using store-bought dough. But if you don't want to deal with dough, don't worry. You can use flatbread or naan, and it will do the job just right. If this semi-homemade recipe sounds delicious to you, be sure to subscribe for future recipe videos. Today I'm using a cast iron skillet, and it's perfect because I'm making it all in one pan. It looks beautiful when it's all set, and you have a crunchy, crispy crust. So I have my oven preheating right now to 500 degrees. Though if your oven doesn't get that hot, it's totally okay. Just put it at the highest temperature possible. So one of my favorite things about the recipe is that it's completely customizable. Some of my favorite ingredients to put on barbecue chicken pizza is, of course, rotisserie chicken. It's already done. Chop it up. That's all you have to do. I have some pineapples, some Parmesan cheese, some fresh mozzarella, but you can use whatever you like on your barbecue chicken pizza. Now it's time to pull my pizza dough. A little flour on the board and on your dough definitely helps you out a little bit. And you just want to stretch your dough until it resembles the same size as your pizza pan. Then I'm going to add the pizza dough directly into the pan and stretch the dough out. This is going to go in the oven for about 10 minutes just to pre-bake a little bit. Wow, look at that golden brown crust, extra crispy thanks to the olive oil. For the base of our pizza, I'm going to take a quarter pouch of our tangy barbecue sauce and put it right on the top of our crust. And I also want to mix it with a little bit of olive oil as well, just to thin it out. And I'm going to spread it with the back of my spoon evenly. And you want enough sauce to coat the entire bottom of the crust. Next, we're going to get some fresh mozzarella and tear it right on top of that barbecue sauce. And you want to spread it evenly so that the whole entire pizza is nice and bubbly with cheese. All right, that's our mozzarella. It's gonna be nice and cheesy. So excited right now. And then I'm gonna add some of my chicken. Store-bought is totally okay, making our lives completely easier. And spread that evenly on top of the cheese. And a personal favorite of mine, some pineapple. Yes, pineapple on your pizza. This is gonna be so tasty. That tangy barbecue sauce with the sweet pineapples is gonna work so beautifully together. Okay, we're gonna take our pizza back to the oven and bake it for an additional 10 minutes. Our pizza's out the oven and it looks incredible. I'm going to add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese because extra cheese can never be bad in my book. And then I'm gonna do a drizzle of olive oil. And of course, an extra drizzle of that tangy barbecue sauce. We're gonna tear on some basil right on top of our pizza for some flavor and of course some beautiful color. And there you have it, it's that simple. So easy to put together, all in one pan, and be sure to customize it just how you want. But this right here looks delicious to me. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like this video and subscribe for future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thanks for watching and be sure to cook happy.